Anyways, I guess I need a replacement for Andrew, someone to fill in for Andrew now that he's gone. So I'm here with you, the Killer Pac-Man from Webisode 17. That was quite fun to make, wasn't it?
Yeah, somewhat.
So I was thinking about having you fill in for Andrew now that he's gone. So, so will you come back to do the show with me permanently, or what?
Yes, but only if you fill one of my requests.
Go on ahead.
First of all, I want a $2 raise. I want $15 for doing the video. $15 per video instead of only $13 like last time. And I want one full box of
I'll tell you what.
rolls also.
I'll tell you what. You get the raise. You get $2 more per video than what you got. You get $2 more than what you got from the last video I did. Plus, no, you don't get one full box of Swiss cake rolls. You get half a box of Swiss cake rolls per roll. Half a box of Swiss cake rolls for each time. Is that okay with you, or what?
Yeah, I guess that'll have to do.
Okay. Then why don't you Okay, cool. Why don't you meet me over near the green screen, and we could maybe take a few minutes to take a few minutes to rehearse, okay?
Okay.
Anyways, Killer Pac-Man, according to the script, you say, your wife tasted better. I say, take that back. Then you say, I refuse, and I say, I'm gonna sue you. You got that?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. Let's get ready then. Let's put this is the script over here, okay? For now, okay. Cue the background, the scenery thing. There, good. Let's get ready. Let's start and action. Killer Pac-Man, I should have known. You stole both my wife and my sandwich.
Your wife was tastier.
You take that back.
No.
Killer Pac-Man, what the heck are you doing? This wasn't in the script. Alright, cut. Killer Pac-Man, what was all that about?
I'm just so used to playing the role of someone who eats people.
Well, yeah, but you can't do that. It's not in the script.
It's a habit of mine that I'm not able to break.
Well, I guess that means things aren't gonna work out very well for us, as a team for doing the videos, so I guess I can't really have you do the videos with me, so, sorry, so bye.
I'm sorry too, bye.
Bye. And my next candidate for replacing Andrew is MechBot. Hey MechBot. What? You're about to shoot me?